Okay, welcome to the Monotremes and Marsupials lab. I have a bunch of specimens in here pulled out for you all to take a look at. Monotremes and various marsupial bone clones or skulls, some actual skulls too. So I'm going to go around and take a look at some of these and introduce you to the orders and families of some of these fascinating creatures. So we're first going to deal with the monotremes, the order Monotremata. And here, of course, we're dealing with the subclass Prototheria, the oviparous mammals, the ones that actually lay eggs. And we're dealing with 5 extant species in 2 families. You're familiar with one of them already, it's pretty famous, and that is the platypus. And here we actually have a skull of it, which we're going to take a look at in a moment. It's in the family Ornithorhynchidae. Scientific name Ornithorhynchus anatomus, and this is the bone clone that we have. We don't actually have a skull of it, but you can see how it gets its name, the duck-billed platypus. It doesn't have teeth. It does have these bony plates here for grinding up aquatic invertebrates and so on. It actually does have teeth in the embryos, but they don't last very long. So you can see these horny plates that it has as an adult, but the skull is very distinctively shaped. And remember the term for teeth for animals that don't have teeth? See if you can remember while we take a look at the other family. The other family here is the Tachyglossidae. There we go, the Tachyglossidae, and there are 4 species of echidnas, one in Australia and Tasmania, and 3 more in New Guinea. And one of the species in New Guinea gets quite large, and I'll be talking about these in a lot more detail in the in lecture. And these, like the platypus, are toothless, and you can see it looks like a bird bill. If you look at this is the lower jaw, very, very delicate looking. So this is an echidna, Tachyglossus aculeatus, and there's the upper part of the skull. It looks for all the world like a bird skull. Now, do you remember that term that we were talking about? For having no teeth, it's edentate. No teeth is edentate. So those are the monotremes, subclass Prototheria, the oviparous mammals. Okay, now we're going to move on to the infraclass Metatheria, the therian mammals, but it's just one of the groups.